get past you there, sir. Sorry there. Excuse me. Excuse me. That's the right spot for me, right there. Excuse me, sir. Seat right there. Let me get by you. Watch your toes. Watch your toes there. Sorry. There you go.
No, Marcus.
I'm not letting you go on a suicide mission alone, Mike.
This is on me. I'm not letting anybody else get killed dealing with my shit.
Mike, she's a bruja. She'll make your eyes melt into your stupid ass head. She'll make your dick fall off. I'm in penis. You should be minding your own business anyway.
Marcus, please go home.
We fly together, we die together.
What?
Oh, no. That's just something we say. It's all good, it ain't. Oh, I can see how that got y'all a little, where y'all from? Where you from? So what you gonna do when you see him? You really gonna put your son behind bars?
Nope. I'll kill him.
Kill him. You really gonna kill your own son, Mike?
I'm gonna put him in a fucking bag.
You mind if we switch seats?
Yeah, please.
Excuse me. You realize you will go to hell.
I don't believe in hell, Marcus.
Well, it believes in you. I mean, killing your own son. Brother, that's a darkness that swallows you whole.
Well, maybe I already been swallowed. I died, remember? I'm ending this shit, man.
I should have known he was your son. Because the way he whooped your ass, Mike, that was an ass whooping straight from thy own loins. A supernatural ass whooping. Now. Can I be the godfather?
You know what you can be, Marcus?
What?
Quiet.
Oh, I should be quiet.
Yeah.
Right. You just had a warlock baby with La Brua who's trying to kill your ass, probably mine too, sucking our blood and all that shit, but I should be quiet. Yeah, okay, Mike. How you fuck a witch without a condom? You wrap that shit up, man.
Hey, my man, we need to change seats.
Yep.